Dear viewers, today we are discussing the case Miranda versus Arizona, which establishes the now common Miranda warning. So, this case fundamentally altered how law enforcement operates, balancing the need for effective policing with the preservation of individual rights. But the journey to the Miranda decision began with the action of one man, Ernesto Miranda. Miranda's confession to a crime in 1963 without being informed of his rights sparked a legal battle that would forever change the criminal justice system in the United States. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for you. Viewers, you may have heard these words in many movies, films, and TV shows, where police recite them to individuals who are captured and handcuffed. These are Miranda warnings. So, Miranda warnings have become a fundamental part of law enforcement procedures in the United States, ensuring that individuals are aware of their rights and that any waiver of those rights is made knowingly and voluntarily. But how did it all start? What is the history behind these warnings? The origin of Miranda warning dates back to 1966 with the landmark case Miranda versus Arizona. In this case, Ernesto Miranda was arrested in 1963 and confessed to crimes during a police interrogation without being informed of his rights. The Supreme Court's ruling in this case led to the establishment of the Miranda warning, a mandatory procedure designed to inform suspects of their constitutional rights before custodial interrogations. Based on this Supreme Court case in 1966, the court determined that the Fifth Amendment's protection against self-incrimination requires law enforcement officials to inform individuals of their rights while they are in custody before questioning begins. These rights include the right to remain silent, the warning that anything said may be used against them in court, the right to consult with an attorney, and the guarantee that if they cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed for them. These were the basics of the case Miranda versus Arizona. If you have any further queries or comments, please do not forget to subscribe and use the comment box. Wish you all the best and see you next time.